Work to construct a new synthetic track at the Stadium East facility looks set to begin in the next 2 months, according to Sports Minister Olivia Grange.
After close to 9 months of waiting for financial approval for the work to take place to replace the worn-out track at Stadium East, Minister of Sports Olivia Grange says the final approval for the 70 million Jamaican dollars is set to come within the next few weeks.
I take it to Cabinet in about 2 weeks. So far, we have had the approval from PIMSEC, which is the Public Investment Committee. We've got a letter from the Ministry of Finance supporting the submission, and it will go to Cabinet for final approval. We hope to begin the work on the track right after the track season, which would be late September, early October. I can't give you the exact figures offhand, but I know it's about 70 million Jamaican dollars.
Granger was speaking with TVJ Sports by phone from Scotland on Friday, also provided details on which entity would carry out the work.
The supplier has already been identified, that is BSW, the same company that did the main stadium, did the track at the main stadium, and we plan to have the track ready in time for the start of the season next year.
The current Stadium East track was installed in 2012 under the supervision of German track manufacturers BSW Regupol at a cost of 43 million Jamaican dollars from the Sports Development Foundation. For TVJ Sports, I am Denise Walters.